просто не знаю, кто это парень, просто что... Но это крутое имя, Мияги. Блин, я слышу эту песню где-нибудь, я не знаю, но я слышу эту песню. Но не прям, но слышу просто. Думаю, это просто час, это знакомый. Может быть, маленькое видео в, не знаю, Инстаграм. Эй. Эй. Это как афро, это очень круто. Эй. Танцуй. Эй. I got love my feel. I got love my feel. I got love my mind. I got love for you. Mama. Hey. Shots. Hey. Hey. I got you in my mind, I got you my skill, la 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 la. I got love I feel, I got you in my mind, I got love my skill, la 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 la. I got love I feel, I got you in my mind, I got love my skill, la 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 la. I got love I feel, I got you in my mind. Hey. Yeah. I love my mind. I love my mind. Over. Я просто даже, ну, я не знаю, что это был русский бизнес. Просто думаю, я слышу это просто маленький час там на припеве. Не знаю откуда, но просто я знаю, это просто знакомое. Но я вообще не знаю, что это был русский парень, который это просто очень красивая песня. Очень красиво. Просто, блин, я сейчас с нетерпением жду, просто смотрю еще видео, не знаю, ну, клипы, музыка от этих парней.
Alright, the next guy, his name is Miyagi.
Miyagi?
Miyagi, yeah, he's very popular in Russia.
Hey,
Yeah.
Mr.
Mr. Miyagi.
Yeah, I was thinking that. Mr. Miyagi.
Alright, let's start.
Let's start.
Здоровенький братец, на трек этот день потратил. Обозреватель на тебе. Да, уносит молодых мой город. Домом в горле войны между народами за лавандос. Убили на камеру чела, ребята засняли убойный видос. Извелены наружу и кричат все, типа нет войны.
It's got like an island feel to it right here.
Bro, I'm hella mad.
It's like a Bob Marley song right here.
Don't worry, be happy.
Yeah, the beat going in, bro. The beat is wavy as fuck.
На красный не кипятись, ты не дикоротись, врага спилил бы вас, уймись.
Yeah, it sounds like he got a B.I.G. flow. Like this nigga hard.
To all the ladies in the place with style and grace, allow me to lace these lyrical douches in your bushes.
Сохрани меня любовью своей, обмани меня, сожги меня, убей, не привели.
Mark is fuck, like, it look like he just saying some deep intellectual shit right now. Like, it look like he's spitting like some woke shit right now.
Наш мир почти разрушен, ты представь, нет, ни тебя здесь нет.
That sound real West West Coast is like a motherfucker. Like,
Yeah, it was like a mixture of like a island feel mixed with like West Coast feel and rugged shit. It was like real
Reggae,
dope.
Bob Marley.
Yeah. It was
Alright.
dope. Like in the hook, it was real Bob Marley.
Yeah.
okay, let's check it out.
That's tight already.
Горим напополам, став из бубля. Доля вора рогам, моя лучшая подруга, мама марихуана. Блади баберам, тут кругом суета. Мы им выше тихо
Yeah, this is a sentimental song.
сам свежим, окати меня рассвет.
That's a catchy ass. When I win, I win.
When I win. Okay.
Нам непременно требуется фактор. Мы тяги будто злые полемики. Ребята требуют района, то потянуло назад. Наколачивались тигры мирно, дико на ножах.
I feel like he got like a like kind of Big Sean type vibe. I don't know.
Last night took a L, but tonight I bounce back. Wake up every morning, by the night I count stacks.
I don't think so.
You don't think so? All right, let me know who you think he sounds like. Then that's what I want to know.
I just don't think he towards Big Sean.
Okay, so if you would have, all right, so you saying he don't even fit in no lane? He's just like his own artist type shit, or do you think he has sounds like somebody?
I mean, he got sounds like somebody similar. I feel like his style is his own lane.
Yeah, that's all you can do is honestly respect it.
When I win.
Yeah, you're right. That's real though. That's all real.
I like the song, man.
It was sentimental, man. I mean, I'm not gonna hold you, bro. It was like, it made me think of like a lot of like me motivating to get to the top, like when I win, but in the best of all the people who fucked me over and a lot of people who didn't even give me a chance type shit. So it's kind of like builds you up. So it's sentimental to me, I guess.
That's what I mean. That's what I got off of it. When I win, it's like when I basically took like when I win, don't ride my nuts.
Mm-hmm. Exactly.
Except for your girl. She
Yeah, anybody else, I don't give a fuck about it because like you can't like try to get onto the wave when it's already fucking taking off, bro.
Yeah.
That's some real shit.
And I feel like from looking at the videos more so like when I win, it's like more of a celebration of like what he's going to do when he wins.
Yeah, and we all winning, you know what I'm saying?
You know what I mean?
Got a bad bitch right here, and a bad bitch right there, and we all winning. When I win, I win.
When I win, I win.